Sometimes an extension cord with a straight configuration might not work with the space available. You need something flat to the wall to conserve as much space as possible. Whether you are building a custom cable or need to modify a cable to meet this space requirement, AC Connectors has your back with a selection of DIY elbow plugs and connectors. These assembly plugs and connectors all come in a 90-degree configuration to help you save space and prevent your cords from getting pinched or cut. But we offer one more feature to give your application its maximum reach. Each of these plugs and connectors can also be rotated to fit 8 different angles. These products can also withstand impacts, chemicals, and weather, making them heavy duty for any job. The NEMA configurations we offer for both male plugs and female connectors are medical grade or non-medical grade NEMA 515, NEMA 520, NEMA 615, NEMA 620, and NEMA L515. If you have any questions about these DIY products or are looking for a different configuration, you can reach out to ask us through phone call, text, or email. Like, comment, subscribe to see more videos just like this one. Shoot us an email if there's a topic you'd like to see us cover. Thank you for watching.